So if you want to import journal entries into QuickBooks Online, go to the gear, import data, journal entries, import, and it will give you a sample CSV file, which is this right here, but you have to make sure the chart of accounts all match what you have in QuickBooks. So let's take a look at that real quick. We're just going to make up some transactions before we import them. So we'll say we have a checking as one. So here I'm just replacing these. We're just going to checking, expected debit of $13,030, and the offset credit will go to the head of sales. Let's see, design income. That will be our income account that we will credit on July 7th. And then let's say another one we want to do is, so what's the inventory account called? Yeah, let's just say inventory asset. We bought inventory, but we took out a loan for it for $45,000. Just making these numbers up. Actually, we'll say $40,000 was loan and $5,000 came from the checking, so we paid out of the checking. Now, for the loan, what is it? No, loan payable. We'll just use that loan payable account. Okay. So, and then you can give it a description. Income from designs. Purchased widgets, financed $40K, paid from bank account. Okay, and then here it tells you the ones with asterisks are required: journal, journal date, journal name. Those are required fields. And I'm going to delete out that. So let me save this. Now I'm going to go back to QuickBooks. Again, you go to the gear, import data, pick journal entries, import. Now you have your CSV. Next, and here you map out your journal entry, QuickBooks to the spreadsheet. Okay, 2 new journal entries will be imported, complete, and then, oh nice, done. So we got 2 journal entries. Oh, here's the journal entry that got posted. That's one of them, and then the other one is right here. So that's how you import journal entries into QuickBooks Online.